Okay, so this is where there was a dual vanity with one large mirror and one large light. You can see here the cutouts, which somehow I wasn't really expecting. So we're gonna need to have some patchwork done. But this is because those mirrors actually were made to have a medicine cabinet in here for storage. That's not our vision moving forward. Moving forward, you're gonna see as we do the remodel, we're gonna keep with the double vanity, but we're gonna put two separate mirrors with two separate lights here. So for the next step, we're gonna need both an electrician out here as well as a drywall repair guy out here to smooth this out before we start the next step. Now here's the part I'm really excited about, is our shower. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but it's gonna look amazing when it's done. So this shower, to begin with, only went about this high. And so it felt kind of cramped. So what we've done is we've actually removed the ceiling to raise it up higher to make it a true full shower here, where people have plenty of room, you don't feel claustrophobic. This afternoon, we're having a plumber come out who's going to look at raising the shower head here, making sure everything's set up, sealed correctly before we start the actual portion of prepping the shower for those tiles. So you'll see that ring light there in the background. We don't have any lights in here right now due to the fact that we had to remove it to get ready for next steps in this project. So over the next, I would say 5 to 7 days, you should see a huge difference in this room.